Hey fans, as the presidential election approaches, both Joe Biden and Donald Trump remain notably quiet about their handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. This isn't a sign of bipartisan agreement, rather, it's an indication of their reluctance to revisit an issue that could highlight flaws or provoke voter disagreement regarding their responses to the crisis. The pandemic, which spanned both their presidencies, provided each with a unique opportunity to demonstrate leadership. However, it also resulted in over 1.1 million American deaths, the highest rate among wealthy nations, and left a legacy of health and societal issues, including ongoing sickness, increased suicides, overdoses, and widespread government distrust. Given this backdrop, it's crucial for both candidates to address their actions and decisions related to the pandemic, especially as we head towards the first debate on June 27. Despite the profound impact of COVID-19, recent polls and political discourse have largely ignored the pandemic's significance. Topics like the economy, abortion, and healthcare remain at the forefront, while the memories and repercussions of the pandemic seem to be sidelined. This omission is particularly striking given the substantial increase in disabilities, surges in cancer cases among young adults, and excess mortality rates that persist. In 2023 alone, the U.S. experienced 190,742 more deaths than in 2019, with a notable rise in mortality among 25 to 44-year-olds. These figures underline the pandemic's ongoing toll and highlight the importance of understanding and addressing the aftermath of COVID-19. Both candidates need to be accountable for their pandemic responses, as emphasized by the British Medical Journal, which criticized America's devastating pandemic outcomes. During the pandemic, both Trump and Biden focused heavily on vaccination as the primary strategy, sidelining potential treatments. The emergency use of vaccines, coupled with mandates and promotion for all age groups, overshadowed alternative treatments like ivermectin. The FDA, under Biden, faced criticism for its handling and communication about such treatments, which some argue could have saved lives. Recently, the discourse has shifted, with increasing recognition of vaccine-related injuries and side effects. High-profile figures have started to acknowledge these issues, highlighting the need for a more balanced and comprehensive approach to pandemic management and healthcare. As we move towards the election, it's imperative that the candidates openly discuss their COVID-19 strategies and their impacts, ensuring that the lessons learned from the pandemic inform future public health policies and responses.